Hello, Professor. Hello, everyone. Today I present paper about bioactive compound produced by probiotic in food products. The first introduction, the term probiotic bacteria the first introduced by early Menicop. Probiotic had many beneficial health effects by different mechanisms, such as prevent bacterial adhesion or colonization, the production metabolite, and modulation of immune system. Next, back to probiotic mechanism of action and role of bioactive compound. The first production bacteriocin. Bacteriocin are ribosomally synthesized peptides produced by bacteria strain. Bacteriocin are small helical, stable, amphiphilic, cationic molecules. Bacteriocin has a function as a colonizing peptide and killing peptide and signal peptide to microbiome or the immune system. Bacteriocin was suggested to have antiviral, plant protect, and anti-cancer effects. And next, enhancement of metabolite function. The probiotic had different metabolic activity catalyzed by protease, lipase, invertase, and amylase that may be lacked in the host. The probiotic also produce beta-fructofuranosidae, beta-galactosidase, and lactase enzyme and mitigate lactose intolerance. This enzyme may be a synthetic prebiotic such as GOS and FOD and very useful for a probiotic. Production of amino acid peptide. Several probiotic bacteria can ferment protein produce small peptide amino acid, phenol, lactone, indole that can maintain energy balance, contribute antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effect, and besides resistant to bacterial microorganisms through immune signal. And this amino acid peptide very important for a metabolite of lipid and carbohydrate and production of short-chain fatty acid. And production of short-chain fatty acid, the probiotic bacteria can be produce short-chain fatty acid such as acetate, propionate, and butyrate by the typical reaction. The short-chain fatty acid can be again several diseases, including inflammatory bowel disease, colon cancer, and heart disease. Besides, short-chain fatty acid can combine with a lymphocyte receptor and trigger production interleukin-10 with an immune modulating effect. Production of vitamin. Vitamin play important role for a metabolite, and probiotic bacteria may be produce a number of vitamins belonging a B complex, such as folate, thiamine, pyridoxine, and group vitamin K2. These vitamins help for growth and establishment of the useful bacteria in the gut. Antioxidant activity. Peptides produced by probiotic bacteria enzyme have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and immune modulating effects. Besides, supplementation with a number of probiotic bacteria indicate that increase the activity antioxidant enzyme such as glutathione transferase, glutathione reductase, and peroxidase, and several strains, lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, had antioxidant activity. Production of exopolysaccharides. Several probiotic bacteria had ability to produce exopolysaccharides from sugar nucleotide precursor by action of glycoside transferase and glycan transferase enzyme. Exopolysaccharides help probiotic bacteria adhere to the intestinal cell membrane and also had activity antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and immune modulatory. cholesterol lowering, and anti-carcinogen effect. Production of anti-inflammatory and immune-modulating compounds. Probiotic bacteria play important role in protecting the intestinal epithelial cell and against inflammation and related disorder by regulation of antibody, lymphocyte, interleukin, cytokine, and chemokine production. The probiotic bacteria modulate immunity and inflammatory expression by stimulating the production of interleukin-10 and immunoglobulin A antibody. The immunomodulatory effect is strain-dependent. Part 3. Supplementation of the food with probiotic bacteria. For labeling a food as probiotic or functional food, it must contain the minimum 10 the power up to 6 CFO per gram. It suggests that a daily intake 10 the power up to 8 or 9 CFO probiotic bacteria per gram food is necessary to grow positive physiological function hormone. And during formulation and processing, probiotic bacteria should be able to withstand and adapt several stress factors such as oxygen, acid, salt, and heat, besides maintain the viability of microorganisms during food processing, packing, and store. Other important aspects including safety of the microorganism, its ability to colonize in the intestinal epithelium, again pathogen strength, immune system, and overall benefit. Conclusion: Probiotic bacteria have ability to produce a wide range of metabolites with a health benefit to humans. Bioactive compounds produced by probiotic bacteria include bacteriocin metabolite enzyme, amino acid and peptide, short-chain fatty acid, vitamin, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and immune-modulating, and isobolysaccharides. Thank you for the listening.